If you have a passion for soaring the skies and capturing breathtaking moments, you're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best DJI drones of 2024, the game changers that are redefining the way we see the world from above. So, buckle up, hit that like button, and let's take flight into the exciting world of the best DJI drones of 2024. Starting off our list at number 5 is the DJI Mini 3. Known for its incredible portability and ease of use, this drone is perfect for beginners and casual flyers, with upgraded features from its predecessor. It's a pocket-sized powerhouse that doesn't compromise on performance. The DJI Mini 3 isn't just an upgrade to its predecessors. It's a revolution in pocket-sized drones. This tiny powerhouse packs a punch, offering creators a versatile tool to capture stunning aerial footage with ease. The Mini 3 is the world's first drone designed specifically for TikTok. Its innovative 90-degree rotating camera lets you capture vertical video seamlessly, perfect for showcasing your creativity on the go. Imagine a drone that practically flies itself. The Mini 3 advanced object tracking and obstacle avoidance system make it one of the safest and easiest drones to fly, even for beginners. Tri-directional sensors shield from unforeseen obstacles, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot with peace of mind. With its extended battery, the Mini 3 boasts an impressive 34-minute flight time, letting you explore more and capture more breathtaking footage in a single session. Say goodbye to battery anxiety and hello to limitless creative freedom. The Mini 3 doesn't compromise on quality. Its 4K camera captures stunningly sharp and vibrant video, ideal for social media and even professional projects. And with the improved D-Cine-like mode offering 10-bit recording, you'll have greater control over color grading for a truly cinematic look. The Mini 3 is an unparalleled combination of portability, performance, and innovation, making it a worthwhile investment for any serious creator. Next up at number 4 is the DJI Avata. Unlike its videography-focused siblings, this drone prioritizes agility, putting the first-person view in first-hand experience. Imagine strapping on a pair of goggles and becoming one with the machine, zipping through tight corners and skimming treetops. The Avata makes that dream a reality. Forget the sleek, minimalist designs of other DJI drones. The Avata rocks a rugged, lattice-like frame that screams ready for action. Its 4 rotors tuck neatly under the belly, protected by built-in shrouds, a welcome departure from the usual propeller guards. This unique configuration sacrifices a bit of aesthetic polish for unparalleled agility and crash resistance, perfect for navigating tight spaces and bouncing back from minor bumps. Speaking of immersion, the included FPV goggles are the Avata's crowning jewel. Strap them on, and bam, you're soaring through the air, witnessing every twist and turn in real time with near zero latency. It's like your eyes are bolted onto the drone, offering a truly exhilarating experience that puts traditional drone piloting to shame. The Avata unleashes its inner speed demon in manual mode, blazing through the skies at a blistering 60 mph. Feeling a bit tame? Sport mode dials things back to a still respectable 31 mph. And don't worry about clumsily piloting into oblivion. Front and downward facing sensors help keep you out of trouble. If you're craving an FPV experience that's accessible, exhilarating, and doesn't require building your own drone, the DJI Avata is a fantastic choice. Its nimble handling, protected props, and intuitive flight modes make it perfect for beginners and seasoned pilots alike. Our number 3 pick is the DJI Air 3. Known for its smart features and obstacle avoidance technology, the Air 3 is a reliable and user-friendly drone. The DJI Air 3 sets a new standard for mid-range drones with its innovative dual camera system and impressive flight performance. The Air 3 features both a wide-angle and a 70mm equivalent telephoto camera, providing new creative possibilities. While the zoom lens might not seem essential at first, it allows you to capture distant subjects safely and legally, making it ideal for events, wildlife photography, and even active volcanoes. DJI's renowned safety features shine in the Air 3. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing, APAS 5.0 anti-collision, and advanced return to home ensure safe and confident flying. The powerful 4,241 mAh battery delivers a remarkable 46 minutes of flight time, making it ideal for extended shots. With features like active track, night mode, and fork footage on both lenses, The Air 3 empowers you to capture stunning visuals in various conditions. The next-generation DJI 4 transmission system ensures a stable 1080x live feed even at distances up to 20 km. The Air 3 builds upon the success of the Air 2S with its marathon battery life, stress-free flying experience, and dual camera setup. The telephoto lens adds a unique cinematic perspective, allowing you to capture breathtaking aerial imagery. The DJI Air 3 is an impressive mid-range drone that packs a punch. Its dual camera system, long flight time, and advanced safety features make it a compelling choice for photographers and videographers of all skill levels. If you're looking for a powerful drone with outstanding image quality and creative potential, the Air 3 is a top contender. Breaking into the top 2, we have the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This drone is a game changer with its Hasselblad camera, delivering professional-grade photos and videos. The Mavic 3 Pro takes aerial photography to new heights. Pro sets a new standard for pocket-sized drones, offering exceptional image quality, advanced collision avoidance, and enhanced video capabilities. It retains the iconic DJI Mini series design with its compact and foldable form factor. The key visual difference lies in the addition of omnidirectional collision avoidance sensors and an auxiliary light, enhancing flight safety and navigation. Advanced Pilot Assistance Systems (APAS) provide additional confidence during flight, while the Bypass Nifty mode allows for controlled maneuvers in complex environment. Active Attract 360° features improved subject tracking, ensuring your shots remain focused on your chosen target. The Lightcut app empowers users to create AI-edited videos effortlessly, perfect for quick and creative content generation. The addition of HLG HDR and D-Log improve files provides greater flexibility for post-production editing. The DJI is the best sub-250G drone available today. Its exceptional image quality, advanced safety features, and comprehensive video capabilities make it a compelling choice for both beginners and experienced drone pilot. Whether you're looking for your first drone or an upgrade from an older model, Pro delivers an outstanding experience. And finally, claiming the top spot on our list is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Combining the best of both worlds, portability and advanced features, this drone is a true marvel. With improved camera capabilities and extended flight time, it's the go-to choice for anyone demanding the best. DJI has once again pushed the boundaries of small drone technology with the Mini 4 Pro. This impressive sub-250G drone boasts a range of new features that elevate it to the top of its class. The Mini 4 Pro introduces omnidirectional obstacle sensors, eliminating blind spots and ensuring safer flight in complex environments. This feature, combined with Active Track 360 and the Trace Wheel, delivers smooth and automated tracking of your chosen subject. The Mini 4 Pro features a revamped UI with augmented reality elements, simplifying tasks like finding the takeoff point and visualizing flight paths. Additionally, Night Shots video mode and an LED landing light enhance nighttime performance and landings. DJI's OVAR video transmission system provides a clear and stable live feed even at distances exceeding 12 miles, making the updated RC2 controller with its fold-out antenna a valuable option. While the standard flight time remains around 20-25 minutes, the Mini 4 Pro offers an additional Intelligent Flight Battery Plus option that extends flight time to 46 minutes. Albeit exceeding the sub-250 weight limit in some regions. DJI's Mini 4 Pro delivers exceptional image quality, unparalleled safety features, and comprehensive video capability. With its numerous upgrades, including omnidirectional obstacle detection, powerful tracking capabilities, improved UI, and extended range, the Mini 4 Pro sets a new benchmark for sub-250 drones. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a casual enthusiast, this drone offers an unparalleled combination of performance and portability, making it our top choice of the best drones in 2024. And there you have it, our top 5 best drones of 2024. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these drones offer something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more tech reviews. Until next time, fly high and stay tech.